Hey there, and welcome to House Lane Product Support Channel. My name's Tom, and I'm a house expert here at House Lane. Not only do we care about our customer experience, we also care about our tech support experience. Rather than reading texts and drawings, we create repair-related videos for House Lane products so you can follow the troubleshooting process step by step. In this video, we are going to show you step-by-step how to replace the burner igniter on your House Pro range. Let's get right into it. First off, the igniter, or spark tip, is a small white ceramic electrode at the base of each surface burner. It makes a spark that lights the gas. There are several signs that indicate your igniter needs replacing. Sometimes one specific burner won't spark, while the others click normally. You might also see weak or inconsistent sparking, visible cracks, or carbon on the white ceramic tip.
To begin the replacement, unplug the power cord and shut off the gas. Then, allow the range to cool completely before removing any parts. Next, remove the grate at the affected burner and lift the burner cap and spread. To remove the top enamel panel, first detach the back cover panel. Then, use a screwdriver to remove the screws securing the enamel panel, and carefully take the panel off. After removing the back and top cover panels, this gives you access to the wire connecting the igniter to the ignition module. Detach the wire, then remove the igniter while keeping the metal retaining clip. Now, disconnect the push-tab wire connector at the back. Once that's done, install the new igniter electrode in the same orientation and reconnect the wire connector until it clicks. Use needle nose pliers to hold the retaining clip and secure the igniter from underneath. When placing the burner spread, the hole must sit directly over the white spark tip. If it's even slightly off-center, the new burner won't ignite. Finally, place the burner cap flat and replace the grate. Restore power and gas, then test the burner. If it clicks and ignites properly, the replacement was successful. However, if it clicks but doesn't light, you should check the spread alignment.
So that completes our tutorial for replacing the burner igniter on your House Pro range. If you need any more assistance troubleshooting your range, you'll find our contact information in the description below. Have a great day, guys.